In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete iPhone messages permanently. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app, and then if we would like to remove some message or entire conversation with a particular user, we can just swipe to the left and tap at that trash icon, then delete, and this message is no longer showing here. However, the message wasn't actually deleted, it was just moved to a recently deleted album. To find it and permanently delete, we need to tap right here at Edit, then Show Recently Deleted, and then we need to find a conversation here. We can check mark it, and also we can check mark multiple messages at the same time, and to delete it from recently deleted, we need to tap at Delete and then delete again. That's how you can easily permanently delete messages on your iPhone.